The new Volkswagen Tharu XR is a 4.3-meter compact crossover with a Tiguan-style design and a large trunk. The model will be produced with 1.5-litre engines with a capacity of up to 150 HP. The budget compact crossover will be presented on August 30th at the Auto Show in Chengdu, China, and soon after that, the model will go on sale at a price of about $16,000. The Volkswagen Taru XR is not a completely independent model. It is a modernized and slightly elongated by 133mm version of the well-known VW T-Cross model. The new Volkswagen Tharu XR can be distinguished from its brother by the modified front end in the style of the older VW Tiguan 2024. The car has a wide radiator grille and slanted headlights, and the lights and bumpers have also been replaced. Dimensions of the Volkswagen Tharu XR: length 43.51 mm, width 1762 mm, height 1605 mm, wheelbase 2651 mm. The interior of the Volkswagen Tharu XR is almost identical to the interior of the T-Cross, except that the climate switches are not touch-sensitive. The front panel has a digital instrument cluster and a touchscreen. The crossover is more spacious than the VW T-Cross and has a larger 445/1443L trunk. The new Volkswagen Tharu XR will be offered with 1.5-litre gasoline engines, a 110 horsepower naturally aspirated engine, and a 150 horsepower turbocharged engine. In the first case, a 6-speed automatic is installed, in the second, a 7-speed DSG robot.